Upscale 3-bedroom condo with private elevator. Sit back and relax on the screen balcony with serene private views of the golf course. One of the last newly constructed condos in the Venetian Golf and River Club with over 2,334 square foot of living area. Very open floor plan with lots of natural lighting. Spacious bedrooms plus a lovely den study area. Gorgeous kitchen with granite counters, lots of wood cabinety, a walk-in pantry, a cafe-style dining area, a breakfast bar plus you have a formal dining area. Very inviting courtyard. Enter via the sweeping stairway or the private elevator. Upgrades include tray ceilings, large tile flooring, all hurricane window and doors throughout. You won't find a better value. The Venetian Golf and River Club is located in No. Venice, 10 minutes from beaches and shopping. The River Club features dining west/view of the 70-acre nature park along the Myakka River. Fitness center and aerobics studio, lap pool, resort-style pool and cabana bar. A 6-court Har-Tru tennis center. An 18-hole golf course.